Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going over Life360 app and how to use it. So let's get started. Life360 is a location sharing and safety app. It lets you create private groups called circles like your family or a friend group and see each other's real-time locations on a map. But it's more than just a tracker. It also offers driving reports, crash detection, SOS alerts and even theft protection depending on your plan. Now let's move to how to use it. First, you have to do is go to the App Store, tap, then search Life360 on your search bar and then tap on Life360, and after it opens up, you can see the install option here and then tap in. After installing it, open up the app. Then after that, you can see at the bottom of your page sign in option. So you should create an account with your email and create a circle or join one if you've already been invited. After that, you can also invite people. You can send invites to your family members or friends via code, link or text. You can also share your locations once everyone in the circle, and you can see each other on map too. You can also get notified when someone arrives or leaves a place like school or work. Also, there are other features like you can also tap a person's profile to see battery life, driving reports or route history. The premium plans unlock features like crime alerts, crash detection and even emergency dispatch. So that's a quick look at Life360. Whether you're making sure your family and friends got home safe or just checking to stay connected, download it, set up your circle and give it a try. And thank you for watching this video. Like and comment down below if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Bye.